Hello everyone, I'm Nagraj, your Perf test coach. In this lecture, we will be discussing why performance testing is important and what problems it can solve. Below questions keep buzzing in our minds when we are preparing to launch any new software application into the market. Will the end users be happy with the performance of our application after launch? Will our IT systems handle the expected user load on the day of launch, or will it crash? How many application servers we should provision in order to handle the expected user load so that there is a best balance between price and performance? Can our application process X number of orders per hour? How much time does it take to process one order? How many application servers we need to provision to be able to process X number of orders in 1 hour? Is our application scalable? Is our application reliable? What is the max load that our application can handle before it can crash? How does our application react to sudden spikes in the load? Will our application auto-scale with load? Do we have failover, backup and recovery strategies in place? Will our application fail over as expected? What will be the recovery times in case of system failure? Non-functional testing, or to be more specific, performance testing, will help to answer all these questions even before we release our software applications to end users, so that we can be peaceful on the day of launch. Performance testing tools can simulate the workload expected on our IT systems using virtual users, so that we can measure our system performance and can tune the performance issues if there are any. We can also figure out the required optimal configurations for our application so that it will perform at its best. Based on this simulated user load, we can also estimate the required IT resources to be provisioned, like CPU, memory, network bandwidth required, amount of storage required, number of server instances to be provisioned, etc. Performance testing will help to avoid the risk of under-provisioning IT resources and also can save the cost that might arise due to over-provisioning of IT resources. I hope you are convinced that performance testing is very important. See you in the next lecture. I'm Nagraj, your Perf test coach.